Hello everyone, myself Swati. Today I am going to discuss with you related to subject analog circuit in that non-linear application of op-amp. Today I am going to starting from this lecture. Apart from that, there are so many non-linear application of op-amp are involved in your syllabus. Out of that, today we are going to discuss about comparator. Now let us see about comparator. This is the introduction related to comparator. That means what is the definition of comparator, where we are going to using that comparator in op-amp, what is the role played by that comparator. Just see here. The op-amp comparator compares one analog voltage level with the other analog voltage level. That means whatever the voltage level introduced as an output by that op-amp, that will be compared by using comparator circuit, or some present reference voltage, that is a V reference, and produces an output signal based on this voltage comparison. In other words, op-amp voltage comparator compares the magnitude of a two voltage input and determine which is the largest of the two. That means what is the function of that comparator? Comparator can compare whatever the input applied to that particular system, that is the input applied for inverting terminal and input applied for the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. That two voltages are compared by the comparator and it will be introduces whatever the largest voltage is. Again, continuation with this, we have seen in a previous that the operational amplifier can be used with a negative feedback to control the magnitude of its output signal in the linear region, performing a variety of different functions. We have also seen that the standard operational amplifier is categorized by its open loop gain, that is represented by the letter A0, that is nothing but open loop gain, and that its output voltage is given by the expression Vout. Vout, that is the output voltage of any type of a op-amp, is nothing but gain into differential input voltage. What is the gain? Gain is represented by the letter A0, and differential output voltage is nothing but the difference between voltage applied to the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp minus voltage applied to the inverting terminal of the op-amp, where V positive and V negative correspond to the voltage at the non-inverting and inverting terminal respectively. Just I have told you. Again, continuation with this, voltage comparators on the other hand either use a positive feedback or no feedback at all, that is a open mode gain. That means voltage comparator can only use a positive feedback, that means output is reversely connected back to the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. Either this condition is happened or no feedback, that means there is any kind of a feedback, there is no any kind of a feedback is applied reverse back to the input terminal of the op-amp, that is called as a open loop, either positive or no feedback, to switch its output between two saturated states, because in the open loop mode the amplifier's voltage gain is basically equal to A into V0, that means gain into differential output voltage. This is related to that. Then due to this, the high open loop gain, the output from the comparator swing either fully to its positive supply rail, that is a positive VCC supply, or fully to its negative supply rail, that is a minus VE, on the application of varying input signal which passes some present threshold voltage. That means it will be passes some present threshold voltage related to this op-amp. Along with this, the open loop op-amp comparators is an analogy circuit that operates in its non-linear region as changes in the two analog inputs, that is a positive input voltage and negative input voltage, causes it to behave like a digital bistable device, as triggering causes it to have two possible output states, that is a positive VCC or minus VCC. Then we can say that the voltage comparator is essentially a one bit analogy to a digital converter. That means comparator is used to compare or convert analog signal into digital, as the input signal is analog but the output behaves digitally. That means input is a we are giving input supply to the comparator is an analog static, but it will be compared along with one bit to one bit. For that purpose it seems that, or it is sometimes called as a analog to digital converter. That means input is given into analog format and it will be introduced as output into digital format. Along with that, op-amp comparator circuit. Just see here I have shown that op-amp comparator circuit. Just see detailed information about that. In that op-amp comparator circuit I have given that input to positive terminal, this is a non-inverting terminal of the op-amp, input voltage is applied, and another voltage called as a reference voltage. That reference voltage is connected to negative terminal of the op-amp, that is the inverting terminal of the op-amp. Similarly, like every op-amp, here also I have connected VCC and VE supply, and here I have measuring that output voltage, and output voltage is nothing but voltage difference in between two input terminals. If suppose there are two conditions are happen, since it name suggests that comparator means comparison in between two input voltages, there are two cases will be happen. That is, if input voltage is greater than reference voltage and input voltage is less than reference voltage, then what about that output voltage? Just see here, if suppose input voltage is greater than reference voltage, then output voltage is a positive VCC, and if suppose Vin is less than V reference, then output voltage is minus VE, because Vin is connected to positive terminal. For that purpose here output come into picture in a positive direction, and V reference is connected to negative terminal of the op-amp. For that purpose Vout is equal to minus VCC here. Then what about the response curve related to this comparator? Just see here. First of all, some steady position like this, that op-amp goes on a saturation region, and if suppose Vin is greater than V reference, then it is a rising curve towards the saturation, and if suppose Vin is less than V reference, that is a V reference is greater than Vin, then there is a from 0 towards negative direction falling curve towards the saturation region, and whatever the line came in between two saturation region, that region is nothing but normal linear region related to comparator state. Then along with that op-amp comparator circuit continuation, just see with the reference to the op-amp comparator circuit above, let us first assume that Vin, that is the input less than the DC voltage level at V reference. Just I have told Vin is less than V reference, as we non-inverting terminal is a positive input of the comparator is less than the inverting, that is a negative input. For that purpose output will be low, and the output will be shows us negative VCC, resulting in the negative saturation of the op-amp, as I have told. About that positive terminal, what happened if suppose Vin is greater than V reference, then what happened? Just see here, if now we increase the input voltage, that is Vin increases in comparison with V reference, so that its value is greater than the reference voltage, that is a V reference, on the inverting input, the output voltage rapidly switches high towards the positive supply voltage, that is a plus VCC, resulting in the positive saturation of the op-amp. If we reduce gain the input voltage, that is a Vin, so that it is slightly less than the reference voltage, the op-amp's output switches back to its negative saturation voltage, acting as a threshold detector. Along with this, then we can see that the op-amp voltage comparator is a device whose output is dependent upon the value of the input voltage, that is Vin, with respect to some DC voltage level. As the output is in a high, when the voltage on the non-inverting input is a greater than voltage on the inverting input, and low when the non-inverting input is a less than inverting input voltage. This condition is a true regardless of whether the input signal is connected to the inverting or non-inverting input of the comparator. That means the connection of the input voltage is a very essential parameter while considering the comparator in comparison in between two input voltages. Along with this, we can also see that the value of the output voltage is completely dependent upon the op-amp's power supply voltage. In theory, due to op-amp's high open loop gain, the magnitude of its output voltage could be infinite in both the direction, that is a positive infinite direction as well as negative infinite direction. However, we can also see that the value of the op-amp voltages is completely depends upon the op-amp power supply voltage. In theory, due to the op-amp's high open loop gain, the magnitude of its output voltage could be infinite in both the directions, just I have told, that is in positive infinite direction as well as negative infinite direction. However, practically and for the obvious reasons, it is limited by the op-amp supply really giving Vout, that is output voltage is equal to plus VCC or output voltage is equal to minus VEE. It is again totally dependent upon the input, which type of input terminal we are going to use. Along with this, we said before that the basic op-amp comparator produces a positive or negative voltage output by comparing its input voltage against some present DC reference voltage. Generally, a resistive voltage divider is used to set the input reference voltage of a comparator, but a battery source, that is a Zener diode or potentiometer for a variable reference voltage can all be used as shown below. Just see here what is that comparators are used. Just see here that input voltage is given to positive terminal of the op-amp and reference voltage is connected to inverting terminal of op-amp. Here fixed voltage divider reference sources is used. According to that, V reference, that is a reference output voltage is a given, reference input voltage is nothing but the formula, that is a R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. For if suppose that variable resistors, here we are connecting that resistor is in a variable proportionality, then what about that V reference? Just see, variable position reference voltage, depending upon that V reference is equal to VRB divided by VRA plus VRB. This is point A point related and this is B point related. And if suppose DC battery reference source is connected across the V reference voltage, then what about that V reference? V reference is equal to V battery. That means reference voltage is equal to battery voltage. And if suppose instead of that battery, if suppose we are connecting that as a reference source as a Zener diode, then what about that reference voltage? Then reference voltage is equal to Zener voltage. Just see here different types of reference voltages we are supposed to use for the designing of comparator. Then along with that comparator reference voltage continuation, just see, in theory the comparator reference voltage can be set to be anywhere between 0 volt and the supply voltage, but there are practically limitations on the actual voltage range depending upon the op-amp comparator being device used. Along with that, there are two types of comparator. First one is a positive and second one is a negative voltage comparator. How that differentiation, that is a positive comparator and negative comparator, just see here. A basic op-amp comparator circuit can be used to detect either a positive or a negative going input voltage depending upon which input of operational amplifier we connect the fixed reference voltage source and the input voltage to. In the example above, we have used the inverting input to set the reference voltage with the input voltage connected to the non-inverting input, but equally we could connect the input of the comparator the other way around, inverting the output signal to that shown above. Then an op-amp comparator can be configured to operate in what is called as an inverting or non-inverting configuration. Along with this, first of all we are going to see about positive voltage comparator. Why that name is given as a positive voltage comparator for this type of a comparator? Just see, the basic configuration of the positive voltage comparator, also known as non-inverting comparator, because for the non-inverting comparator, that non-inverting terminal of the op-amp is called as a positive terminal of the op-amp. For that purpose, that type of a comparator is basically called as a positive voltage comparator. Circuits detects when the input signal, that is a Vin, is above or more positive than the reference voltage, that is a V reference, producing an output at V out which is high as shown in the figure. Just see here the input voltage is applied to the positive terminal of the op amp and V reference is connected towards the negative terminal of the op amp. This is a non-inverting comparator circuit because the input supply is connected which type of a terminal of the op amp. Here see non-inverting terminal of the op amp. For that purpose this type of a comparator is called as a non-inverting comparator. At that point what happens, if suppose V in is less than V reference, then it will be goes on positive direction, and if suppose there is some saturation region, this is the straightforward region, and if suppose V in is greater than V reference, then it goes on a negative saturation region. And whatever this box is created here, this box is nothing but there is a comparison in between V in and V reference. First V in is less than V reference, and second one is a V in is greater than V reference. In between some saturation region also occurs, and for that purpose here the block is occurred. Then again continuation with non-inverting comparator circuit. Just see in this non-inverting configuration the reference voltage is connected to the inverting input of the operational amplifier. Just I have told, with the input signal connected to the non-inverting input. To keep things simple, we have assumed that the two resistors, that is forming the potential divider network, are equal and R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. This will produce a fixed reference voltage which is 1/2 that of the supply voltage, that is VCC divided by 2, while the input voltage is variable from 0 to supply voltage. When Vin is greater than V reference, the op amp comparator's output will saturate towards the positive supply relay, that is a VCC. When Vin is less than V reference, then op amp comparator output obviously will changes the states towards saturation at the negative supply relay, that is a minus VEE, that is 0 volt as shown in the figure. Just see here the basic voltage in comparator, that is a negative voltage comparator. Whenever we are applying that Vin into the inverting terminal of the op amp, then that type of a comparator is called as a negative voltage comparator. Just see here the basic configuration of the negative voltage comparator, also known as inverting comparator. Circuit detects when the input signal, that is a Vin, is below or more negative than the reference voltage. V reference producing an output at V out which is a high as shown in a figure. Just see here, this is a inverting comparator circuit. For that inverting words itself indicate that input is given to inverting terminal of the op amp, that is a negative terminal of the op amp, and another terminal, that is remaining positive terminal is remaining. For that terminal V reference is connected. Depending upon that, it is a totally controversial in comparison with non-inverting comparator. Just here, if suppose Vin is less than the V reference, then comparator output goes on decreasing condition for inverting comparator, but for non-inverting comparator it will be goes on some upcoming rising ranges. Saturation region is the same for both the type of comparator, and along with this Vin is greater than V reference, then it will be goes on increasing order for the inverting comparator, and for the non-inverting comparator it will be goes on decreasing order. This is all about that inverting comparator circuit. Along with that inverting comparator circuit, what is the explanation? Just see here, in the inverting configuration, which is the opposite of the positive configuration above, the reference voltage is connected to the non-inverting input of the operational amplifier, while the input signal is connected to the inverting input. Then when Vin is less than V reference, the op amp comparator's output will saturate towards the positive supply relay, that is a VCC. You see here, likewise the reverse is true when Vin is greater than V reference. The op amp comparator output will be changes the state and saturates towards the negative supply relay, that is a 0 volt. For that inverting comparator circuit continuation, just see, then depending upon which op amp inputs we use for the signal and the reference voltage, we can produce an inverting or non-inverting input. It is totally dependent upon whatever the input introduced towards that op amp. Then we can take this idea for detecting either a negative or positive going a signal one step further by combining two op amp comparator circuits above to produce a window comparator circuit. This is all about that comparator, that is a positive comparator, negative comparator, and how that comparator will be works. This is a basic information related to our comparator. Then what are the types of comparator? Just see we in our next lecture, upcoming lectures. Okay, thank you.